Hey y'all, so it's time for me to go ahead and pick a winner for this Knitcrate Peruvian yarn that came in the October Knitcrate box. This is a really beautiful yarn, so I hope whoever wins enjoys it. I saw a lot of comments about people making scarves and hats, so whoever wins, I hope you're able to do something with it. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell, so when I do little giveaways and things like that, you'll always know when to come back to my channel because I posted the video. Alright, so I'll also go ahead and throw in this little stitch marker. I thought it was really cute, and I have a couple, so I'll go ahead and send that one along with the yarn, and of course you'll get the pattern book. So good luck to everyone. Let's just go over here to random comment picker, and I will insert the URL for the video. And we had quite a few entries, not as many as before, but that's good. It gives more people a chance to win. And we'll see who wins. MG Marquez. MG Marquez. Yay! I hope I said your last name correctly. Congratulations, you are the winner of the Knitcrate October yarn. If you will, please get in contact with me via my email address. I'll put it here on the video, and then I'll also put it in the comment box down below. Thank you all so much for everyone that entered, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks again. Bye, y'all.